Yeah, in this problem, they give us a function. They want us to find the derivative. So here, let me write it down here. So it's the sine to the fifth of x. Now, it's important to note, I'm going to rewrite it. This is not a derivative, it's a rewrite. This is sine of x to the fifth power. That's what that means. Notice the 5 is on the sine, it's not on the x. So that means the 5 is on the whole function. It's really outside of the whole thing. Okay, so now it's time to take the derivative. Well, how do we take the derivative? Well, basically, do you know the rule when you have this is the inside function, and this is the outside function. So when we have an inside and an outside, we've got to do what's called the chain rule. And the chain rule says if you have like an outside function and an inside, this is the outer and the inner function. The derivative is the derivative of the outside. Oops, keep the inside the same at first, times the derivative of the inside. So here we go. So I'm going to say, okay, okie dokie. So f prime of x, this is the derivative now, not just a rewrite. The derivative will equal, what do we do first? Derivative of the outside. So the outside is this 5. It's got to come down there. 5. And then subtract 1 from the power, so that'll be 4. There's the outside. The inside stays the same at first, right? Inside stays the same. Times, and then you have the derivative of the inside. So here's the inside function. So this will be the derivative of the inside function. What's the derivative of sine? Cosine. And that's it. That's the answer to the derivative. And then on the and you can write it this way. Yeah, probably type it in just like this. Um, that'd be good. And the answer, yeah, that's actually a perfect way to do it. And now on the last part, they want you to plug in, what is it, 3? So that's just simply put in a 3 there, put in a 3 there. But remember, you've got to be in radian mode whenever you plug into a trig function in calculus. You got to be in radian mode. It's not degrees, in other words. How do we know? Well, we just assume if they don't say anything, it's automatically radians, unless they specifically say degrees. So radian mode, put a 3 in, put a 3 in, hit the buttons on your calculator and the Desmos calculator or whatever calculator, and you'll get that answer right there. So there we go.